Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Nissan Navara, stock number 7081. It's run from the 4th to the 15th to the current shape. There's a YS23 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a YS23 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory 3-spoke, leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,